Hello, I'm Harley Nordman, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Swiss Arms TAC-1T air rifle. And I know what a lot of you are going to say. This isn't a real rifle, you shouldn't be doing a review on it. And I disagree. It still goes past the speed of sound, so it still can kill you. And I will be shooting these targets out here, if it'll focus, and we will walk up to them in a minute. So as you can see, it is accurate as long as you sight in the scope, but the scope they give you with the gun is a throwaway scope, so do not use it, is my recommendation. Buy a new scope. And you have to get the right ammo. Some of these are picky on ammo and will only get an accurate grouping with that specific ammo. And because these are pellets, it will not take down a large animal, but small game like rabbit, squirrel, or birds are perfect to shoot at. We'll take a few more shots and we'll walk up on them. Sorry guys, I haven't figured out how to make it cut in and out, so this is the best we've got right now. I'll figure that out soon enough though. One more shot. My target's just trying to fly away. And now we're going to walk up on the targets. What?
Nothing, I just...
Putting you on YouTube. This is my mom, guys. Yeah. Totally gonna put you on YouTube even though you didn't want to be. Ha ha. See what you get for laughing at me? And as you can see, takes out the targets. That was a grouping earlier when I was trying to sight it in. Getting pretty accurate groupings. Shot him right there. Oh man, I took out the paper on this one. And over here, a little high, on target, on target. That's good. So if you want me to do more videos with the Crosman, please ask, and subscribe, share, like, whatever you want. And please give me ideas on what else to do because I have no idea what to do. Remember to like and subscribe.